Welcome to Citimarine's City Guide Hub, your go-to destination for the best in boating accessories, marine parts, and more. Today we're taking a closer look at the CTM Marine split air conditioners, specifically the CX and the EV units. These two units work together to keep your boat cool and comfortable no matter where your adventures take you. The CTM Marine CX air conditioners offer powerful cooling, designed to keep even larger cabins refreshingly cool. The split design separates the condenser and evaporator, allowing for flexible installation and improved cooling distribution. The CX condenser capacities range from 10,000 to 48,000 BTUs, and you can choose between 115 or 230 volt systems, with support for both 50 and 60 Hz cycles, depending on your boat setup. Some units, like the one featured in this video, include a soft start integrated into the circuit board. The soft start board employs a 4-part start ramp sequence that is self-optimizing, delivering up to 65 to 75% start current reduction. This makes it the perfect solution for running your air conditioner on a generator, inverter, or a limited power utility. The EV unit is the key to the CX cooling power, designed to work seamlessly with CX condensers. The EV capacities range from 6,000 to 24,000 BTUs, and like the CX, it's available in 115 and 230 volt systems, with support for 50 or 60 Hz cycles. This compact, easy to install evaporator delivers efficient cooling in even the tightest places. And the adjustable turbo blower allows you to direct cool air wherever you need it. Safety is also built into these units. The CX features a rugged fire retardant electrical box. There's also an optional mounting bracket to easily secure the electrical box to the condensing unit. Durability is a priority with both the CX and EV units. The CX units are built with a corrosion-resistant titanium condenser coil, which is 40% more durable than traditional copper coils. If you're looking for a replacement for a Dometic DEU or Cruisair RX model, the CTM CX Marine Air Conditioning Unit is an excellent option. When replacing a Cruisair RX, keep in mind you'll need to replace the evaporators, as the RX units use R22 R417A gas, while the CX uses R410A. The universal control board in the CX makes it compatible with existing controllers like SMXIR, Passport IO, Smart Touch, and Elite 2. Plus, the 5/8 waterline connections and dimensions are standard, so the CX should fit seamlessly into your current setup. The CX isn't just for cooling. Its reverse cycle provides powerful heating as well, making it a versatile solution for year-round comfort. Maintaining the system is simple. The EV's air filter is easy to remove, clean, and replace, ensuring your system stays in top condition with minimal effort. CTM Marine backs these units with a limited 2-year warranty. The first year covers parts and labor, while the second year covers parts only. For full details on the warranty and more information, please visit the link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. For more information and to explore the full range of CTM Marine air conditioners, head over to Citimarine's online store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in marine products. Happy boating!